Hey there, Lacey here with a Sweet Pea Chef. And do you love hummus? If you do, I've got some great news for you. We're gonna be making 4 different recipes for hummus, and I'm gonna show you how to make hummus. It's gonna be really easy. We got so many great recipes coming up, so let's get started. So in order to make hummus, you do need something to blend everything together. I use my food processor, and I can leave my link for what one I use in the description below. You could also use just a heavy-duty blender if you have one. Whatever is gonna get everything mushed together so it's fully blended is all you need. So hopefully you've watched my homemade hummus recipe video, which shows you just how to make a plain chickpea normal hummus recipe. It's very tasty, but today I'm gonna show you how to kick it up a notch and make 4 different types of hummus using different ingredients. So let's start off with a spicy black bean hummus so you can see just how versatile hummus can be. Add cooked black beans to your food processor, and if you are just buying these from the store, make sure to grab the ones that say no sodium added. Then we're gonna add in half of a jalapeno that's been diced and the seeds removed, fresh cilantro, a couple garlic cloves, sea salt, freshly squeezed lime juice, ground cumin, paprika, and some olive oil. Then we're gonna turn on the food processor and blend this for about a minute until everything becomes fully smooth. And that's seriously how you make this hummus. It's so simple and so tasty. I like to top off this spicy black bean hummus with a little bit of cilantro, some jalapeno, and a little bit of cayenne pepper, just for a little color and a little bit extra spice. For a less spicy hummus option, how about we make a sweet potato hummus that has natural sweetness and is also savory and so yummy and pretty. So to start this off, we're gonna need a cooked sweet potato. You can either boil it, steam it, bake it, however you want. We wanna remove all the skin and then dice it into pieces. Then we're gonna add that into our food processor, followed by a couple of garlic cloves, some tahini, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and some sea salt. And that's seriously how simple that is. Then we just blend it all together until it's fully mixed and blended. And there you go, you have sweet potato hummus. It's so yummy. Top it off with a little fresh parsley, some sea salt and paprika, and a little drizzle of olive oil, and you've got yourself a good thing going. All right, so next let's make a creamy avocado hummus. It's so yummy. Start by adding some cooked chickpeas or garbanzo beans to the bottom of your food processor, followed by a couple ripe avocados, some tahini, freshly squeezed lime juice, garlic, sea salt, ground black pepper, olive oil, and some ground cumin. Then we're gonna put the lid on and blend it all together so it's fully mixed and delicious and green and creamy, and you have your avocado creamy hummus. To serve, I like to top it with a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes for a little spice and some more little chickpeas, and of course, a little drizzle of olive oil. So good. Next, we're gonna make an incredibly vibrant and delicious beet hummus that is so pretty and it's equally tasty. So we're gonna start off with some cooked chickpeas in our food processor. We're gonna follow that up with some cooked and diced beets, some lemon zest, freshly squeezed lemon juice, tahini, ground cumin, a clove of garlic, and some sea salt. Then we're gonna blend everything together until it's fully pureed, and you'll notice that it's just a really vibrant, awesome looking pink color. To serve this hummus, I like to add some feta, a lemon wedge, and some fresh parsley, and then I like to drizzle it with a little bit of tahini. So yummy and so deliciously beautiful. So now you have 4 delicious new hummus recipes to go test out. You saw how easy they are, and they're so tasty and healthy and good for you. Hummus lasts for about 5 days in the fridge if stored in an airtight container, and it can last up to 6 months in the freezer. So you can have hummus ready to grab and go all the time, which is my kind of life. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out my homemade hummus recipe video if you haven't already for another great hummus recipe. It's so easy to make, and just spread the hummus love. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you never miss new weekly recipe videos, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.